right, so we're using 3 cans of sweet potatoes, and this is the 40-ounce can. And this is all in our crock pot. Now I'm gonna come in with some brown sugar. I'm using the light brown sugar, but the dark works just as fine. And we're just gonna sprinkle that brown sugar right on top of those sweet potatoes. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious side dish for Thanksgiving. You know, the turkey is filling up the whole oven, so I brought out my crock pot to make this easy side dish. So quick, you really only need a few ingredients and it's gonna be amazing. With that brown sugar, I'm gonna grab some salted butter. I'm gonna use 1 whole stick of butter. You can use unsalted if you're worried about the sodium, but I like my sweet potatoes a little salty. So grab that whole stick and we're gonna place it right in the middle of our sweet potatoes in our crock pot. This is gonna be so good, you guys. Now to complement those sweet flavors, I have some all natural maple syrup, and this is gonna just be so delicious. Personally, sweet potatoes are my favorite side dish because it's kind of like a dessert with your dinner, and I just love that. I remember as a kid, I would just eat the marshmallows off the top of the sweet potato casserole and leave all the sweet potatoes, but I don't do that anymore.
Hey, wait, I used to do that too.
I mean, it's the best part.
It really is.
Okay, once we have our maple syrup in there, I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla extract, and we're gonna put that right on top of the butter, so when the butter melts, it will just take that vanilla with it. Okay, we're gonna do about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're almost done here. So quick, so easy, and so delicious. Now for our seasonings, we're gonna do some pumpkin pie spice, my favorite spice to use in November. Okay, just get a nice little sprinkle. Remember, this is a lot of yams. We used 120 ounces of yams in our 8-quart crock pot.
Wait. So yams, I thought they were sweet potatoes.
Oh, sweet potatoes, you got me there.
Are they the same thing though?
No, they're not. Okay, now we're gonna get some cinnamon. Oh yeah, look how beautiful that looks. Oh, and when this cooks up and that butter melts, it's just gonna be like caramelized almost, and it's gonna be delicious. Now to combat all those sweet flavors, I am gonna add a little extra salt. It's optional. Watch your ears. Just a nice little sprinkle of salt. Ooh, that is
delicious,
beautiful. Now we are gonna let these sweet potatoes heat up and let that butter melt so we can mix it and then add the marshmallows on top. But let's go ahead and put our crock pot on high and let these cook. All right, it's been 1 hour on high. We're gonna pop this on low and let's check this out. Oh my goodness, that looks so tasty. We gotta give it a good mix. Oh my, get all of that seasoning and that flavor. Delicious. Oh, it smells incredible. We're gonna go ahead and drain some of that butter and then pop the marshmallows in there. All right, this looks perfect. Delicious. Let's go ahead and get those marshmallows in there. We're just gonna throw them in right on top. Use 1 whole bag of mini marshmallows. Doesn't that look delicious?
Yeah, so that's just gonna melt right on top, huh?
Yep, exactly. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, put our lid on, and remember this is set to low, and then we're gonna check on it in a little. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on warm now and check it out.
Whoa.
Oh my, do you see those marshmallows?
They look so good.
They are perfect. I'm just gonna sprinkle them oh so lightly with some cinnamon just to add some pretty color. Come on, like doesn't that make it look even better?
Oh, it just pops and I can just taste all of those colors.
Ooh, okay, time to dig in. I'm gonna go for the center.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my, doesn't that look so delicious?
Oh wow.
Marshmallow, sweet potato. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. So this only cooked for like an hour and a half total. So super quick, super delicious for a crock pot.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh, you have to try it.